Hello.
Yo, what's up guys?
Hi guys. Who are we with? Who are we with?
Aman. Kenneth.
Who are we with?
Jamie.
And we're going to?
Korea. Busan.
Look. Where are we going?
We're going to South Korea.
Where are we going?
Hello? OA. Ang OA nila. Ay, hindi ba naipit ko?
Where we going to nga daw?
We're going to South Korea. So, ano yun? Alam namang North, ayaw mo ba? Ano yan? Incheon. Ano? Yeah. What they say.
Ano daw?
Welcome back guys. Welcome back. Man. Ay, walang laway yun.
Akin din naman wala.
So yun guys, today we are going to Korea. We're going to Korea. And anong gagawin natin doon?
Training. Alam mo yung first time mo mag-Korea pero training lang din.
Wow.
Training, tas lalaro pa.
Training. Excited ka na mag-training?
No.
Natin ng training guys. Di po natin sinasabi nung ginagawa natin. Ano ba ginagawa natin?
Now?
Na sport?
Taekwondo.
Taekwondo ba? Confirm?
Na ano?
Anong sport ginagawa natin?
I don't know.
So yun guys, magta-taekwondo training kami doon sa Korea. Lo, sino inaaway mo?
Sabi.
Very good.
She's saying about me.
Anyway guys, so ayun, magta-training kami sa Korea. And sinasay rin na. Ikaw, pakilala ka, di ka malaka eh.
What's your name?
So guys, we're bound for Korea and magta-training kami doon and competition. Supposedly magsa-sparring, pero anong gagawin ng competition doon?
Hindi, sparring ako. Yung dalawa namin magpupumse pero mostly sparring.
So ayun guys, ikaw di ka pa nag-hi.
Ba siya nag-introduce? Siya
Hi.
nag-introduce yourself.
Hi.
Ikaw din pala.
I'm just Gianna,
Hindi kasi
a normal person
me without
that wants to be national team. Yun lang.
Hello. Okay guys, di na ako nagawa ng mga sa intro. Okay, restart. So hey guys, so ayun, today we're gonna go to Korea. So we're gonna go to Korea and we're gonna train there for like
Nasira yung intro.
so we're gonna train for taekwondo and we're staying there for 14 days.
16.
Hulo. 14, 15, 16,
15
15.
yun. 2 weeks, 15.
16.
2 weeks, 14.
16 days.
What's 9?
Bakit 16?
9 to 23. 1.
25 daw
14.
tayo.
25?
Yeah.
Alam ko 23. Hala.
Stop gaslighting me, bro.
22 pala. So,
22.
ano ba?
Ito 22. Ito 22. Ito 25.
23.
Ito 23. 23 yun. Mali naman days mo. 14 yun eh. 9, 23. 1, 13. 1 plus 13, 14.
Alam mo, ayoko sa lahat kinokorek ako.
Okay. Tama ka pala. Mali ako doon sa part na yun. 15 days, guys. So, ayun nga. So, magta-training. Ilabas ko na sila. Ay, sorry. Ilabas ko na sila magta-training kami doon. Pero, ayun. World Taekwondo. Magta-training kami doon. And do everything about Taekwondo. So, ikaw kwento ko na lang buhay ko sa Taekwondo. So, ayun, guys, if di nyo alam, nag-start ako mag-Taekwondo. Hulaan mo. I mean, recently lang.
Last 2 years.
No?
Last year.
Last year, August. So, mag 1 year na din ako almost. And, okay guys, so we were here kanina sa airport. Like, kaninang 4 a.m. pa. Yeah, 3 a.m. 3:30 si Eman.
Ako 4.
4 na ba?
4
Basta
ako.
dumating kami. So, time check ngayon, 5 a.m. na guys. 5 a.m. And ang flight namin is 7 a.m. So, first time hindi Filipino time, no? Like, we're actually early. No? Usually dapat late eh. Pero,
Okay.
himala, nag-early.
Famous ba yan?
No.
Famous ka?
No. I'm just vlogging, bro. What you mean? Anyway. Anyway, guys. I'm not famous. I'm not famous.
He's just a vlogger.
He's they, them.
He's just...
Any all
just
they,
he.
them. Yes. Grabe, 6 minutes na yun. Wala pa akong maayos na intro. Okay. Magte-training kami doon, guys. For 14 or 15 days. Somewhere there. And it's a training camp.
Oh, but akala ko ba, sabi mo 14 days yun.
14 to 15. Hindi, tama ka eh. 15, di ba? 15, tama siya eh. Earl, introduce yourself.
Huh?
Introduce yourself to the camera.
Hi, my name is Earl Shay De La Cruz.
This guy is my buddy. So we have
Yes.
to watch out for each other. Right, Earl?
Yes.
Yeah. So, how long have you been doing taekwondo? How long have you been doing taekwondo?
Almost 3 years na rin.
Anong bet ka na ngayon? What's your bet now?
Low red.
That's tough. Okay, say bye.
Uh,
See you on the
bye.
plane. Coach, say hi.
Hi guys, welcome to my
Introduce
vlog.
yourself.
Hi, I am Coach Bella, and I am one of the coaches here in KTC and Pumse Coaches.
Yeah. Pumse Coach God.
Yes.
Oh, hello, hello.
Who's this?
I am Coach Gani. I'm one of the head coach of WT PTP program.
He's the one who
So,
brought us. Who's gonna bring us to Korea, guys?
Yeah, so watch out his vlog. Okay? And drill training. Galingan
Oh,
nyo.
yeah. I'm gonna record all of that. What? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi ka dito.
Bye.
Ikaw, Zach. This is my favorite team cap. Yo. Say hi.
Hello.
Wait. Oh, you're on call. Wait, si Jasmine. Ay, naka-call ka din? What? No? Ay, si Mansour.
Ay, ano to?
Say hi. Vlog ko.
Okay. This guy is my student
Huh? Long time ago.
10 years ago.
10 years.
How old are you now?
17.
Oh, you were 7. Then he
Yeah.
stopped. Then he came back.
Yeah, last
Now, he's big.
year. No?
Now, he's gonna come to Korea and train and fight with the best
Pumse.
fighters his age in Korea. Yeah.
Hopefully.
He's gonna compete against them. Yeah.
How many years have you been doing taekwondo?
45 years.
45. That's
So,
close to mine, right? Yeah, like 1, 2 combined.
what year were you born?
2006, coach.
Nako, 2006. Coach Gani,
Nag-start sir.
anong year ka pinanganak?
1990.
1990.
Oh, wow.
I started 1979. You guys were not born yet.
Go to Korea, Kukiwon. You will see
Yeah.
his name.
Yeah.
Oh.
In the Hall of Fame.
Once you go to Taekwondo 1
The museum
pala,
pala.
sir, yung poster niyo sir kung saan kayo nag-compete.
Oh, meron.
Ay,
Sheesh.
may nakita ako yung Dado na sa Taekwondo shoes na
Dado?
bago.
Oh.
Ganda. Nakita ko sa kwan.
Baka mahal.
Yan maganda yung parang sabi niya yun ang latest daw yung Dado na
Oh.
DAEDO. Tapos parang
New
slip-on,
shoes.
tapos may tali lang.
So it's like the one that I used.
Parang
almost.
prospects dati. Yan, gusto kong kumuha ng isang ganun. I'll get you taekwondo shoes.
Oh, nice one, Bella. Alright, next interview. Kamusta kayo? Ay, tulog. Ikaw ulit. Kusog ka.
Bro.
Introduce yourself. Di ka, nag-introduce ka na, di ba?
Hi.
Oo. Hello.
I'm Jamie. Again. Ano ba sasabihin ko?
Introduce yourself. How long you been doing taekwondo?
I have been doing taekwondo for 5 or 6 years.
Anong belt ka na ngayon?
Black.
Anong tawag doon? Dan ba yun?
I'm first dan, bro.
Eh, 9th dan na yan.
Ang dami na kung 9 lang.
Ilang taon na siya nun? Pumsay ka, di ba? Pumsay main. Hindi ba?
Ngayon.
Dati sparring.
Sparring ka dati?
Oo, since nung white belt ako.
Yes.
Hanggang red belt sparring ako. Tapos lumipat na ako.
Ba't ka naglipat?
I remember na
Ano?
parang may may isa kaming classmate. Tapos parang kami dalawa versus Kuya Ernie.
Oh, yeah. Korean massage.
Di ko na.
Tinuro ko kayo nun, no? Gagi, alala ko na yun. Doon tayo sa small space.
Oo. Yung onti lang tayo.
Ba't ka naglipat from sparring to pumsay?
Dinurog ko eh.
Wala lang. Wala lang, biglang lumipat.
Ikaw. Introduce yourself. Ka-team ko sa Alasa.
Eman Kyle Reyes. Tapos,
Single ba? Single?
single, ready to mingle, looking for ages 17 to 19.
Wow! May maximum. Cannot go lower than, but...
Yeah.
So excited. Ikaw, gaano katagal ka na nag-taekwondo?
Since grade 1.
How old yun?
Ha?
How old
How old ba ako nun? Di ko alam.
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Tapos nag-stop ako for like 3 years.
Tapos bumalik ka.
Tapos bumalik.
Black belt, anong dan ka na?
First done. Last year lang na ako nag-black.
Kailan ka ba pwede mag-second dan? Ay,
After
sorry.
1 year.
So this year mag-second dan ka na? Introduce yourself. Sabihin mo hi. Ano? Introvert. Trip yung... Oh, ba?
Mr. Kim Min-suk, if you are armed, can you approach any AirAsia staff in front of gate 107?
Introduce yourself.
I'm just... Hi. You're Roganit.
Ha?
Hindi. Just Roganit. Ira Roganit. Any. Di ba nag-move? 23 na? Ay, 25 na.
25 na ba talaga?
I don't know.
For real ba yun?
Ang first na sinabi is 9 to 23.
Oh.
Ang sinabi sa 9 to 25.
Legit ba? Okay guys, so I guess, ayun.
Tapos
9 to
mag-water
25
park kami.
Oh yeah. So yung gagawin namin, I didn't do a proper intro. Dito
May
ka na
sandbag
gagawin.
ka? Ay, syempre.
Proper intro na ako. Proper intro. So guys, yung gagawin namin, kasama ka ba din? Dito ka na eh. Kasama ka. Introduce yourself. Ayan, nag-check ka pa ng phone. Hindi, pumasok ka na sa camera eh. Introduce
Hi.
yourself.
I'm Casey. Hello.
Hello, Casey.
Easy lang.
So, yung gagawin namin sa Korea, guys. Magte-training, field trip, ano ba?
Competition. Shopping.
Competition.
Shopping. Tapos bibiling tanglulot. Ay, tanghulot.
Tanglulot. Tanglulot? Ano yun? Tanghulot. So,
7.8 over the grade ko doon. Ang state.
yung tinikman mo? Yung dito?
Hindi, sa Glorieta. Oo, sa Glorieta.
Sa airport. So yun guys, inihintay na lang naman yung plane kasi... Kita ba? Hindi nakita, isa pa. Wow. Nice. Okay. Say bye-bye. Next person.
Bye.
We're interviewing the whole squad. Diba naka-call ka kanina eh. Bumalik ka kanina. Mag-hi ka ngayon.
Hello.
This is the team captain. Ano masasabi mo?
I'm very sleepy.
Sige, tulog ka na sa... Basta sa team captain. This guy's the strongest one in our team. It's not cup, it's real. Real or bake? Okay, let's go to Misha. Oh, ano pa ba? Go. Say hi, Misha.
Hi.
Dalawang Shiro. 2 Shiros.
Yeah.
So, Misha,
Interviewin ako.
how long have you been doing taekwondo?
1 year only. Yeah,
Same
1
tayo.
year.
When did you start?
I think
Last year.
July. Yeah.
Uy, ano ba?
year. Yeah.
Were you white belt when I joined?
Kawate.
Huh?
Kawate.
Wow, I did not know that. So before guys,
End of July.
Misha, kung pakilala yan, ops yan. Pero ayun guys, we're gonna go to Korea. She's my little sister in this trip. And excited ka na ba sa Korea?
A little bit nervous. Though.
What are you looking forward to ba?
Siguro sa foods.
Food? Parang sinabi ni Tita favorite mo Korean food diba? Oh no, ready na. So ready na. Ready ka na ba? 2 hours flight Korea, that's 4
Yeah.
hours. That's crazy.
Tulog lang.
Yeah, matutulog din ako sa plane eh. Cause I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that's
Bye. Bye-bye.
so guys, we're boarding now. Wala pa pre. Nasa Pinas kami. Mabuhay Pinas. Uy, Philippines! Okay guys, we're boarding. Hello. Boarding.
Shoutout tayo
Hindi sa'yo eh. Punta kami Mindanao, ganun din. Tinatawag na kami mag-boarding.
Oh, we're final. We're last na pala.
Sobrang bigat naman niya.
Ito na rin si Sungita, no? Wow! Nakangiti. May tinatago pala tong dimple. Ha? Isa pa nga. Hi guys, so we're on the plane right now. We boarded na. And I got the best seatmates. We have the team captain. And we have Jasmine.
Ano ko ba pagyabang sarili ko?
I don't know. So supposedly, oh
Front ocean, pink and white.
wow. So guys, alam niyo supposedly that's my seat. Pero it's her first time in Korea, so let's give her the view, you know. So ayun nga pala. May seatbelt na ba? Wala pa. Assuming. Anyway, so it's my 3rd time na in Korea. Pero this time, we're gonna go sa mga province areas na kasi doon kami mag-train. Di na sa mismong Seoul lang. So, pero we're also gonna go to Seoul. So, yeah guys, seatbelt on. Wait. Hi guys, so we already landed. This guy slept the moment we left, the moment we got on the plane, and the moment that we landed.
Dear guest, we have just
That's
landed
why.
at Incheon International Airport. AirAsia welcomes you to Incheon, Korea. The local time now is 27 minutes, as the hour of 12 in the afternoon. For your reference, Incheon, Korea is 1 hour ahead Manila, Philippine time.
Okay guys,
For your safety,
so we're gonna get
please
it
remain seated until the seatbelt sign.
Zach, kamusta tulog mo?
Sleeping.
Ha? Still feel sleepy?
Anong ginagawa siya?
Oh, we slept the whole trip. I slept for like 2 hours siguro. Or 3. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take a CR break. I need patience.
hi guys, so we're done with the Q code thing for the hand clearance. Now we're gonna take a train. That's crazy. How?
Parker space, ready.
문이 닫힙니다. Doors are closing. 列车门即将关闭。ドアが閉まります。
Wow.
열차가 출발.
Ay, I forgot how train works. Gulat ako dun ah. I forgot how a train works. I wasn't prepared, bro. My body was shifted the wrong way. Yeah.
発車します。お気をつけください。次が第一ターミナルです。
I didn't know Korea had a train in the airport. Alam ko lang Singapore eh.
Usually pag malayo,
Yeah.
may trains naman sila.
This is my second time on the train. So guys, tapos na kami sa immigration. Now, we're just gonna wait for the others kasi may yellow paper binigay and we had to answer it now. And we had to wait there kanina. Ikaw mabilis lang. Sinagot mo na kasi, diba?
Yeah.
Bro, kami kasi di kami nabigyan ng paper. Where did you get your paper by the plane?
Yeah.
They didn't give us paper in the plane, bro. So, ayun, we had to rewrite it. Now we're just waiting. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're waiting for the others. So guys, now we're gonna eat. Kain na ba?
That's so weird. God, stop them.
Anong gusto mo kainin? Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam eh. Hi guys, kain na kami.
Ano ba? Hindi ready. Cut.
Kain, no. So,
What's your order?
on their back.
Yung order now.
Wait lang. Anong kakainin mo, Misha?
Hmm?
What are you eating? Nagulat, no? What are you
Bulgogi with rice. See?
Ikaw, bulgogi.
Bulgogi with rice.
Bulgogi with rice. What are you eating?
I'm gonna eat patty. Set menu with beef, soybean stew, and grilled sugar fries.
That's the menu, guys. I'm gonna eat that one.
So vegan. Dapat meat.
Meat. Meat naman ang bulgogi.
Vegan style. Punta ka sa Japan kasi ay, Korea.
Japan.
Like all the good stuff.
I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is.
know what those are?
This is soup. This is bulgogi. That's my main dish. Okay.
I forgot about that. This is like chili.
Chili?
Is that? I think so. I think, wait, let me smell. Wait, I'll go mine.
Soup. So we have bulgogi.
This is spicy.
Oh. Well, pass. This is my main. Fish, tuna. Yeah, it's like tuna. And this was like corned beef. That's corned beef. Fish ka daw.
Fish corn beef.
Corned beef. So guys, we're gonna eat. Hi guys, so tapos na kami kumain and nag-meet up na yung ibang countries. Colombia. Sa Colombia. Ayan guys. That's Colombia. Pero inintay pa namin yung iba. Kasi 5 p.m. Time ng alis. 5 p.m. 5 p.m. ang time ng alis namin. Mali yung clock ko guys. Pero yun, 5 p.m. It's currently 3:30 I think. So yeah, we're waiting. This is my buddy. Right there. Nakita namin si Albert Einstein. Asan?
And we're gonna go to Mojo, Taekwondo 1. It will take around 4 hours. So we're gonna stop after maybe 2 hours. We stop in one city called Cheonan. I used to live in Cheonan, you know? It's my hometown in Korea. So we stop in Cheonan, eat dinner there, and then keep going to Mojo. As you know, I think your masters already know, Master Gani is the same. The first day in Mojo, we don't provide dinner. So when we stop, like, everybody can eat something. And then when we arrive to Mojo, we will just give the rooms and you can have rest. And from tomorrow, we will start our program. I wish you a very, very best, good experience this time, okay? Nice to meet you all.
Yay! Hi guys, I'm here with Coach Gani and Monzor and also Earl. So we're in the pinaka-back of the bus and we're on the way na to Taekwondo 1. Uy! What? Sino? So, ayun, the trip's gonna take 4 hours. Hi guys, it's 6:30. It's dinner time. 6:30 pero may araw pa. Dami. And we're gonna eat dinner right now. So let's eat all you can. Wow. I'll get more pa later.
Lagay mo yung sabaw.
Sabaw yun. Hi guys. Ayun, makapanan kami lang guys. It's raining.
Buti sila muna ganso, baka magkasakit sila.
Okay. Ilang muna kayo. Right now guys, we're in building B. Wow. Ipapakita yung mga room namin. Since gabi na, kailangan matulog. Diba? Tutulog na. Tutulog ka na ba agad? Maliligo mo. Maliligo tapos matutulog. Lo! Porket nasa Korea ka. Feeling mo malamig ah.
Pagkasama lang natin si ay hindi ko pala yung kilala. Nako na sila.
So guys, dumating na kami sa orientation room. Mga bag namin nasa labas. Si Emma. Hi Emma. Emma. Hi. Sir Mansur. Sir Mansur. Say hi.
What's your name, sir?
Vlog.
Vlog.
Say hi. What's the name? We also got ours. Legit. She got a name, Adidas shirt, and dobok. And then water. Wow, wow, wow. So, ang size na kinuha ko sa dobok, 180. 180 kinuha ko. So, ngayon, naghihintay na lang kami. Guys, ngayon, na kami sa kwarto namin. Kailangan ito namin work na kindobok ko. Mga gamit ko. Dami kong gamit, bro. Looking for our room. Na-split kami into 4. Oops. Say bye-bye, coach.
Bye! 안녕하세요.
Room tour! Hi, Zach. Yo. Roommate number 1. Say hi. Hello. Our room, 1, 2, 3, 4 bed. And then, this is the shower. And this is the toilet. That's our room. Mag-unpack na ako, guys. Hi guys, so ayun, matutulog na kami. And si Earl, nakaligo na siya. Oh, nakaligo na. Si Zach, wala siyang towel, so bukas na siya maliligo.
Tawag dyan ah. Kaya mo?
Akin yun. Towel.
Hindi yung maliliit.
Kung maliligo ako after, maliligo ngayon, intake ko lang. So, after that, gonna shower and go to sleep. Then, time check, Korean time, 10:30. So, kailangan namin gumising ng 6 to 6:30 a.m. So, matutulog na kami guys. And, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Bye-bye ka! Bye guys! Bye ka!